So today we're going to have a go at changing these grey, I think this Atlas, I don't know what colour they call this, but these grey stripes on the door. So this is a 6-piece kit, so you've got one piece on the front door there, another piece on the back door there, and then this third piece that goes along the back. They're sort of style accent stripes. You might have a white car, you might want to change them for black, whatever, but they're part of the kit, and Land Rover sell these in different colours, and they do instructions, and they are made to be removable, so you can customise your car, which is cool. We're going to show you how to change that. We're going to fit this black set today, so there's obviously 6 pieces. They're not a cover, they are a snap-on trim. One point, the long wheelbase car, they did 2 versions of the Range Rover L405. They did a long wheelbase where the back door is bigger. Now in the UK we haven't got many long wheelbases at all, but this is the standard short wheelbase model, so it will be different on the rear door if you've got the long wheelbase model. Let's start on the front door. So there you go. So what you've got here is you've got this plastic trim. Okay, now we're going to try and get in here. I've got the little plastic trim tool. Now I did do this yesterday on the other side. There we go. So you can see there where it's separated. Okay. And I think I can dispense with the tool. I'm just going to pull it straight out. And we haven't had this one off, so this is unremoved. Oh, I've got a watch on it. Catch anything there. Okay. So there we go. So you can see they've just got these little clips. If I put my hand behind it, can you see those in? Yeah. So the original mouldings have got right hand on them, which is handy. We'll have a look. And that's that. You may want to clean it. This isn't actually too bad, is it? But that's the clip. So we'll take all 3 of them off, and then we'll show you how to fit them back on. Right. Same trick on the rear door. I'm going to open the door. Do you want to come around this side? Rear door.
Get the best end to go from?
I reckon. We'll see.
I don't think it makes much difference because you just got to put it straight.
It's just a question where you can get in without going on the paint. I didn't want to be levering against the...
Well, you've got the front one off already, you might be able to get in there.
Might be able to get in there, yeah.
Let's
try that.
In that gap. Lever against the front door, as it were.
Yeah, that's quite a good idea actually. Yeah, that
just helps stop.
Yeah.
Because at the back there, where it's shaped to the door, you've got no return. It's not as strong, is it?
It is. It's tricky on that.
You need a bit of trim tool on that.
Trim tool on that one. I think it's tight on that back corner. Oh! Right. So yeah, that back clip is tight. So watch that, but it is a clip. There's no other fixings on there. You can see it is that. Straight there. Oh, that's 2. We're doing okay. Right, now this one, we worked this out on the other side, so I'm going to start from here, but it tucks under here, so we're going to sort of angle it out. Let's have a go. So yeah, same sort of thing. Again, none of these trims on this side of the car have been off. Right, now this way you don't want to scratch the top of your bumper, you want to be a bit careful here, but it should. I don't want to scratch the light. Right, now it's this angle here. See there?
The one that we
I reckon let's open the tailgate.
That's so much less work with the new car.
There we go. Ah, yeah, look.
So
right, now I think...
Just go back.
Oh, there. So it's... So yeah, I start here, and then you've got to lever it right round, and then pull it out. So you've got to drop the tailgate.
It's got that hook on it.
Sort of little return on the end there. Now... we did break the clip on the other one, yeah, and look, that clip has broken there. So, not sure the exact best way of getting those out. Those come off fine, and maybe you need to try and pull it that way a little bit more. But there we go, that's the 3 pieces off. Right, let's redo them in the same...
We just go back the way we came.
The way we go, right, okay. I've got a bit dusty. Right then, so yes, the trick is going to be getting this in under there. What? There, yeah. So I've got him in there.
quite hard to see in the sunlight.
Yeah.
Black on black.
Does that look like it lines up right?
That looks about right.
There we go. That's that one on. Okay. Right, now we've got to get now. Let's have a look at these actually and see whether have they been moulded with right hand or left hand in there. Yeah, you probably can't see in the camera that says left hand on it.
No, you really can't see.
You can't. Yeah, they do say it on there though. So this is.
I have laid them out in right hand and
this
left
is
hand,
right hand. Okay. So again, double before you go. Yeah, make sure you've got the right taper at the side. Now we had the back off first, didn't we? So let's do it in the same order.
It seems to want to go back in
They do seem
the right
to.
place.
Right.
Oh, it's white with the reflection.
Okay. And that's the front one. Now which side do we go on first? I'm going to start at this back edge again.
I think because they're all just kind of straight push clips, it doesn't matter
really
too
matter.
much. Probably is just easiest to work from one end to the other though.
There we go. That's it. That's not too bad a job. Good luck with that.